Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 28, 2022. Two stars Sudoku. 8th row and 9th row. We have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. And 2 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 8, 9, 6. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, and column H we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 5 also here. 10th row, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then the 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 8, 6. 7th grade. And 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3rd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. On 3rd row, only one number remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 9, 4. Column G, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, only one number remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 8, 7. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 4. Column E, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F will already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 4th row, only one number remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 8, 9, 5. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. Second grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then fifth grid, only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Then fifth row and sixth row, column D, we have 4. So 4 column come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. Column H, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then seventh row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, sixth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 6. Column B, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we already got 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then sixth row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Sixth grid, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 9. Column H, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.